Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was going to do a memory spread, but the week and the weekend got pretty crazy. So I'm going to just do a quick recap. I'll show you guys one side, the other side, and the full spread, as well as what I have left with the weekly spread, or the weekly kit. So all of these are all from GoldPaperPrints. I will have more information down below. When this goes up, it will be just a couple of days before the TPC sale, which is the 8th through the 12th. Also, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. I got this off Amazon, and if I remember, I will link it down below. It wasn't very much. I want to say it was like $6, but I love it. I just got it in yesterday. It was a very quick ship. Bought it Friday, came yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is October 5th. So let's go in day by day. So Monday had to get up pretty early because she had PT at 7:30. Had to take the recycling out. We deposited our last amount of rent from my brother-in-law who lived with us, and we will no longer be paying rent at the apartment. In fact, the apartment closes on Thursday, the 8th. So yeah, I got this week's base plan with me up, which I will link down below. We had pasta, kiddo had school, PT early that morning. I was able to wash my hair, get the kiddo a bath, did some adulting, got delivered from my mom. I even did the whole plan with me. I recorded, I edited, imported, edited, exported, compressed, put it up on YouTube, everything, and that actually went up the next day. My husband actually finally mowed the lawn. I worked out, which this week actually makes this current week right here that you see actually marks week 3 and now on week 4. But by the end of the week, or end of this day, it was a pretty shitty day. Got into some adult stuff. It was recycle day for Tuesday, so I had to bring the recycle in, to trash out later that day. I did some filming. We had her school. She had a one-on-one with her teacher right after. School is from 8:40 to 11:15. I don't mark that per se, just because the more important times are reading and math. And then she had a one-on-one at 12:30. She had Zoom meeting with her speech therapist. Another, we had a bunch of deliveries this week. Let's see. I was really tired because kiddo actually got up really early. And like I said, did a plan with me. And the telehealth was nothing but a nightmare. And then Wednesday, I got quite a bit done. I was able to wash my hair, did a budget because it was pay week. She had a half day. I got laundry done. She had school. She had OT, which is in person after school. It was trash day, so I had to bring in the trash bin after school. I was supposed to get a Happy Meal this day. I actually didn't get it until Friday, which I don't think I marked that just because I didn't think about it. We did some potty training, which went really well. I was able to edit all of the videos that I had recorded, and then I also got some stuff done for my blog post, and we ended up having a pizza night. And then for Thursday, that was when rent and the mortgage and the internet were all due. So we had our very first mortgage payment ever. This is our first house we're in. That got paid. The internet is automatic, auto pay. And I was able to upload all my videos. Let's see, I also packed bag for the kiddo because she ended up going over to her great-grandparents, set up the bills. This day also marks countdown for Halloween, which these stickers will be in. This is going up tomorrow. Today is Monday. This is going up tomorrow, Tuesday, and then the haul will be the following day, which you'll see this and a few other things on here. Usually I was thinking about doing these memory spreads actually on Wednesdays, but I'm going to do the haul on Wednesday instead because there's a TBC sale on Thursday. Let's see. So she had school. She had school 5 days a week. We had Zoom with her school's speech therapist, which that goes a lot better. I don't know why, but it goes a lot better. Alright, so we had some bills to pay, another delivery. I made chicken curry for the hubby. Kiddo had a bath. Friday was payday. I paid the bills. I didn't mark that on here. I just realized that. Probably because I was really tired. I did some cleaning. 29 days until Halloween, which I'm not going to tell you, 29, 28, 27. 4 weeks till Halloween. Anyways. Kiddo got picked up. She also had school though earlier that day. I did some laundry. We also woke up super early, so I needed some coffee. I was going to do a memory plan, but turned into a recap, as you can now see. We had date night, which actually went okay. I also worked out, and then I used This Is Bullshit on here because our toilet was our toilet was driving us nuts. Oh, and Thursdays little things or like memory or description of the day was I got lots done. I guess it's my grateful / memory for these. And then the weekend happened. Saturday was my youngest brother-in-law's birthday. I folded some laundry. There was no kid for most of the day. We got to sleep in. I cleaned some. We were gonna do my hair, but that didn't happen. Ordered some groceries though to be picked up the next day. And then we had a really good visit over at the great-grandparents, which if you've seen previous videos, his grandmother and I don't always get along, but it was a good visit, so yay. I did a little bit of cleaning on Sunday. It was also when the electric was due, but it's been paid, way paid. I ended up washing my hair because we didn't dye my hair again, and then gave the kiddo a bath. I don't know why I put grocery shopping and pickup. I don't know. Just have it, I guess. We did potty training all day, and I got some planning done, and I bought a lot of food, and then the best thing of the day was I colored with the kiddo most of the day. And yeah, that is it for this spread, my memory spread. Let's get you zoomed out, both zoomed in. Alright, so that is the complete spread, and this is what I have left over. So this is what's left over from the functional icon add-on. This is my usual of the half box label sheet. Used all but 3 of the skinny labels. Got most of the littles and headers done. I don't really use these. I got most of these used up. A little bit of washi. I ended up using the last full box that I had left over down here. I just cut it. So there's a little bit that didn't fit here. And then again, I forgot to put this on here. I was thinking about putting it right here, or right here, but that didn't happen. It's okay. And then I used up all of my glitter headers and washi and bottom washi full boxes. And this is what's left over of the scripts and little icons and whatnot. Usually what I do is I use this dollar bill right here, these bills right here. I put that with a half box like this, and I write pay bills, but I guess I forgot. I don't know. So, alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me zoom out all the way. Ta-da! So there you go. That is the memory spread recap, whatever you want to call this. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys!